Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Johnny from the PE Tutor, and in this video today I'm going to talk you through rock, paper, scissors and how you can use this in any of your primary PE lessons. Ideally it's for ages 6 and up, just so they've got an understanding of the basic gymnastic shapes that we use, but you can always change these up to suit you. And for numbers wise, anywhere from 2 children all the way up to a whole horde of them if you really wanted to. You don't need any sort of equipment, and it's great for gymnastic skills or balances, that core strength, in particularly tuck, pike and straddle, because the way that we've used it before is tuck for rock, pike for paper and straddle for scissors. And the way it works is you count down from 3, 2, 1. The children need to pick one of those shapes and make it, and they have to stick with it. You then reveal your hand from behind your back, call out what you picked, and if they beat you, they get a point. If you beat them, they lose a point, and if it's a tie, no points for anybody. Now what you can do if you wanted is to pair them up into twos or perhaps into threes so that they can self-check each other. So they're competing against their partner or their three for the highest possible score. That way they're going to be watching each other and making sure that no one changes their shape right after you take your hand from behind your back. Because sometimes they're trying to be sneaky and they might go from pike into straddle without you realizing. So keeping them in pairs or threes is a good way to combat that. And then if you wanted to, you can extend it by moving it into different shapes. It could be the jumped version of a tuck jump, a straddle jump, a pike jump. If you've got access to trampolines, then this is a great way to do it on there as well. But perhaps a game to use in one of your next lessons. So I hope you found that useful. If you did, perhaps leave a like on the video and share this with other teachers. And if you do want a copy of this teacher card just here, then you can click on the link in the description and you can get yourself one of those as well. But hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye for now.